Well, it's cracking, everybody. Pete here from Eminem and the Gang, and we are still in Las Vegas with some light snow flurries. If you can see that. Well, we are going to be leaving tomorrow. They're going to do a oil change and change our fuel filter and all that crap. But they put the fender back on because we have to get a new fender, and that's going to take 4 to 6 weeks, and we're not going to stay here for that long. And they have to replace this door also. So 4 to 6 weeks for those parts to come in. So we're gonna go back to California, hang out around home, and then we get the call, we're gonna come back and have this stuff put on. And they said take about a day or so to put the stuff on once they get the parts in. But tomorrow morning we're gonna get the oil change and all that stuff done. And hopefully it's not snowing anymore, and we're gonna head back to California. But you know, that nasty storm coming through. Also, my handle, I didn't have them fix this back here because I have the handle California waiting on me. So I'm not gonna pay another however much they charge to put a new handle on. So they just unscrewed that for me, or drilled it out for me, and I can pop the switch to get inside. Ooh, the flurries are coming down a bit more now. And also, they talked to my adjuster, and the adjuster changed the amount of damage done. Originally, they did it off pictures, and they said this would be about almost $6,000. Well, the new adjuster said this is closer to $12,000. So they're going to cut them a check for the difference, which is another $6,500, and get all new parts put on. So instead of it being $6,000, it's now like $11,800. Yeah. Always got to have some good insurance when you drive one of these things. And we have Progressive. And so far, we love Progressive because absolutely no problems. You know, getting them to take a picture and do the adjustment and getting the work done. Like I said, they're done already. That one and that one. Got to do this one, repair it, or replace it rather. And this fender is going to be replaced. Back inside because it's kind of cold. I just wanted to show you guys, give you an update, and let you see the snow flurry in Vegas. Nasty clouds. If you like my video, please subscribe, like it, and subscribe. Peace.